Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I've got a fun project share for you today. I was totally inspired by watching a Lawn Fawn YouTube video the other day. They shared a tutorial on how to create these super cute ornaments, and I knew immediately that I wanted to try it, and I had already had the die, so I immediately went to Michael's after I dropped the kids off from school, and I picked up a few supplies. Now, I had already purchased the ornaments. I got these plastic ornaments at the Dollar Tree, and then I went to Michael's and I did pick up some felt in their felt section. I did pick up the peel and stick black adhesive felt. It's an 8.5 by, or actually it's a 9 by 12 sheet. I picked that up for the eyes. And then for the face, I picked up this sheet right here. And this is, it's called Cashmere Tan. And this is, I'm not sure what the size is, but it's premium felt. It's in the Creatology section of the kids craft area. And so I picked that up for the color of the face. And then I went to Target just because I was shopping for household stuff, and I went, of course, to their craft aisle and found this. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? I found glitter felt. I was in heaven. I did share this on Instagram, but I wanted to show you guys in person how gorgeous it is. I used the pink glitter felt for the cheeks. And then I used this copper color for the antlers and for my fox tails and ears. And I think it came out so pretty. Okay, so I have it on this little plastic tree that I picked up from Target Dollar Spot. And I'll just take one example off so that you can see. Excuse my hands. I've been crafting, of course. But I just basically, I followed the tutorial, and as you can see, the pretty copper antlers on the top and the cute sparkly cheeks. I used that sticky adhesive for the eyes. It was just easier for me to adhere it when I was gluing it down. I didn't have to use glue because it was already an adhesive back. And the dye cuts through the felt just like butter. It works perfectly, in case you're wondering. And then, of course, I had put my own twist on this, and I decided to make Rudolph, and so I just used those little puffy balls that you can pick up from Dollar Tree, or really any craft store, but I had picked up a pack this year from Dollar Tree. And then I did use the brown glitter that's in the glitter section at Michael's, in case you're wondering, and I just put my own little spin on the color variations, but it's very similar to the one that she created. I don't have the add-on kit, but I do want to get the add-on Lawn Fawn kit that goes to this particular die collection. But it's super cute, and I just wanted to share. So I made several of the reindeer, as you can see, and then I'm going to show you what the fox looks like. So I'll stick this back over here and show you the fox. Now look how adorable the fox is. There's the tail, and then for the nose of the fox, I just used some Halloween bling. I could not find my buttons for the life of me. I know I have a million buttons, but in my craft dungeon, I could not find it. I couldn't find it. I was just like going crazy. But anyway, I just busted out that bling, and I think it came out really cute. And it is finished on the back as far as like the glitter. And it's so cute. This is an awesome gifting idea. I'm definitely going to be gifting a couple of these to my nephews that live in Colorado, because I want them to have an ornament handmade by their auntie. So anyway, super cute idea. Check the description box below for more information. I'll share the link to the video that I watched, and I did check Amazon, and they are selling this little critter and the add-on set in case you're interested. So yeah, that is it. Super cute project share. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.